Hello and welcome to my channel everybody, I'm Steph. Today I wanted to try something slightly different from my usual content, namely an unboxing! I mentioned in my channel introduction that I quite like stationery things and bullet journaling and things like that. This is not a sponsored video. I've been thinking that I wanted to get a stationery subscription box for a little while now, and I saw that this had a 3-month offer, so I signed up for that and I've been gifting it to myself. So since my Papergang box just arrived today, I decided to do an unboxing with you guys. Let's get into it. So I absolutely love the packaging on this. I love how it has these encouraging self-help, self-care kind of, I don't know, stickers? I don't know what you'd call them. Like it says here, asked for help, didn't pretend I was fine when I wasn't, remembered to breathe, did my best, didn't bottle it up. So I like what this looks like on the outside. I have no idea what's inside. I've been trying to avoid any spoilers. So no idea, let's open it up. So that's the sleeve off. And let's see what's inside. Ooh. I love the wrapping paper. It's this beautiful light blue silky kind of paper. So, whoops. Ooh. Sorry, I'm making very weird noises here. So the first thing I'm seeing is a Tea Pigs Melt Away Chocolate Flake Tea. That sounds yummy. Ooh. Next up, there's the usual what's in this box kind of thing. So I won't be looking at this yet. This has all the items listed as well as the normal retail prices. And so I should also mention this box cost me, I believe, around £10 converted to euros. And generally the items inside the box tend to be worth more than those 10 quid. There's also this November calendar. It's not quite my kind of style, but it looks cute, so I might see if I could use it for something. Ooh. So here we have 4 A6 sheets of illustrated stickers, which are the same stickers that are on the sleeve. Let's open this up. Ooh, and it comes in this beautiful see-through envelope that I'm having trouble with. All right. Ooh. So yes, there are 4 sets of stickers in here, which are also the kind of didn't pretend I was fine when I wasn't, took time to recharge. Then we have this cat themed notepad that says Gemma Corell, which I believe is the designer of this month's items in the box. And it says, and breathe. Ooh, this is big. What is this? It's a ginormous poster that says, everything is going to be okay. And at the back it has a year-long September to August calendar. That's really handy actually. Very big, but handy. There's also a poster that also says everything is going to be okay with that big smiley face on it. Oh, and a little notebook. Also by Gemma Corell, that says doing my best. Inside it's lined paper with a little cloud that says date. So I think overall I really enjoy the items in here. I think definitely I will try out this tea. And I really like the stickers, because I think self-care is such an important thing, particularly for people who are introverts like myself. And I also really like the diary. All right, that's it for the unboxing today. I hope you've enjoyed this, and Let me know if you've got any subscription boxes like this, if you have book subscriptions or stationery subscription boxes that you would recommend. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!